last game?
First of all, I would like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this win. Very proud, thankful. Na-appreciate ko lahat yung effort ng players ko because talagang tinatrabaho naman nila sa practice eh. I mean, we're practicing like a game situation. So talagang deserve naman nila nandito sa sitwasyon na to. Although yun nga, we've been to pressure pack games for the last 3 games, but because of our discipline and execution for the whole game, I think we have a good chance, and itong chance na binigay naman sa amin, ginag-grab lang namin yung opportunity. So thank again to the Lord Jesus Christ for the opportunity and chance na makapaglaro for number 8. The only thing is we have only 1 day to prepare, so hopefully we can survive on Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Xavier, one of our game analysts, the Dean, mentioned how you seem to be the barometer of this team. If you're playing well, the greater chance your team's going to win. And if you're struggling, then more difficult for your team to win. Just your thoughts on that.
I don't think that's too true. You know, it's a team game, and you know, I'm sitting here right now, but there's a lot of guys that played well tonight, and we probably would have been all right if I had 0 points tonight because guys were playing with the desperation, and we were playing team basketball. So I think it's whenever us as a team we play with each other and through each other, that's when we play our best. So it's good that we're playing that way right now.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, naantay nyo pa itong second game to determine yung kalaban nyo sa Sunday. But based on what you guys played with LX and Rain or Shine, how do you like your chances?
I think both teams naman deserve din doon. Kumbaga, kung sino yung manalo, kung manalo yung Rain or Shine mamaya, I think we will face NLEX on Sunday. But hindi naman pwede tayong mamili doon eh. So, kung sino lang, sabi nga kanina, hindi na choosy, huwag nang choosy. Siguro, yung chances naman namin, I think, maganda naman yung nilalaro ng mga bata ngayon. I think, mas yung karakter namin, mas lumabas ngayon on the do-or-die games namin. And I think, yun lang, kailangan lang namin pag-usapan tomorrow on what is the game plan, kung sino man yung mga kalaban namin. And important pa rin siguro yung recover ng body ng mga players ko kasi 1 day preparation lang. But ano na yan, laban na yan. Siguro, bata pa naman itong mga to eh.
Coach, how did you guard yourself against complacency kasi ang akin nung lamang yung walang importong Meralco, halos second stringers na yung gamit nila. Ano mga sinabi mo?
The message sa dugout is, on the first half is we've been here before. We commit a lot of mistakes in the past. We experienced it against Converge, against Ginebra. So we cannot afford to happen again. So yun ang message ko sa kanila. So we're starting the third quarter, we're 0-0. That's the mindset. And during that run, we expect naman na the Meralco will have some runs, but good thing, my veterans together with Xavier, they're weather the storm on that mga runs ng Meralco. And yun nga, siguro yung experience namin before na nangyari yan, na ano na namin, na alam na namin yung gagawin namin.
Xavier, how do you like, ask also the question to you, how do you like your chances though you've been playing Sunday's playoff game?
Yeah, I think we got a good shot as long as we continue to play how we've been playing. You know, I think we didn't start the conference off very well, but you want to be playing your best basketball towards this time of year or this time of the conference, and I feel like we're doing that. I think the ball is moving really well. Our defense is clicking, and as long as we continue to bring that same motivation, that same playing with desperation. You know, our next 3 games, God willing, we get past the next one, are going to be do or die. So just continuing to play how we're playing is going to be important.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations.